Another day, another story. In the past, Winsome Axis had set up the jewelry stall for the second time at Mall of Lahore for a 3-day period from the 26th of June to the 28th of June. During this event, they showcased the captivating jewelry collection, and the brand received great appreciation and popularity from experts and shoppers alike. It was a delightful experience for visitors, offering them the opportunity to explore and indulge in Winsome Axis' splendid creations. Winsome Axis. Winsome Axis continued to shine brightly as a prominent name in the world of exquisite jewelry, leaving a lasting impression on the hearts of those who attended the memorable affair. Thanks for watching.